Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. If you're like me, you waste a ton of time, especially at this time of the year, looking for the tool you just had set down and now can't find. Click the link below or run to your favorite hardware store and spend $10 picking up one of these. Then add the basic tools that you need for setting up your display or working on prop builds. I prefer this style with the belt flap so you can take it on and off without having to undo your belt. Get in the habit of returning the tools to the pouch when you're finished with them and reduce the aggravation of wasting all that time searching for your lost tools. I think there may be a song reference in there somewhere. Here's a sampling of the tools that I carry in my pouch and that I find useful, but adjust this to fit your needs. However, try to avoid packing too much into it and creating a new problem of an overloaded tool belt. It's hard to find things and harder yet to keep your pants up. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.